The 13th hole at the lower course at Baltusrol is known as the oblique, and that's in reference to the angles that are presented, especially on the tee shot. Many people will say this is A.W. Tillinghast's most famous hole or most interesting hole. The golf architecture of it is that there's a diagonal creek that must be carried over on the tee shot. But if you play straight, there are 3 bunkers in the landing area, and so any straight ball pretty much is going to end up in one of these fairway bunkers. And so what players will want to do is really move the ball left to right and try to end up more on the right side of the hole, of the fairway, as that will shorten the distance to the green quite significantly. They have to be careful not to push the ball, though, into the creek, which is very easily done. In fact, Bobby Jones lost a U.S. Open, in essence, by doing just that. And he was always a fan of this hole, or he found it to be such an interesting hole that when he was involved with Dr. McKenzie at Augusta National, when they were working on the 13th hole, he referenced this hole, at least from a conceptual standpoint. In any event, it's really all about the tee shot. Hit the ball into the fairway, and though the hole is 450, 460 yards, today's player will be left with a mid to shortish iron in to the green, which is pretty circular. It's guarded by deep bunkers right and left, but it's very scoreable here. So 2005, it played to a scoring average of 4.08, had quite a few birdies, but yet it's a hole that you can get in trouble at the same time. So kind of a big delta on what can happen here, but it's really all about the tee shot. And so look for that. Look what club selection people use and how they look to work the ball. So guys that don't feel comfortable hitting it left to right may look to hit something shorter to play down the left and try to avoid those fairway bunkers. But guys that are aggressive and can really work the ball with the driver will try to knock it down as far as they can. So really famous bit of golf architecture here. So this will be a hole for sure that you'll want to kind of keep your eyes on.